guys, welcome back to our channel. So this long-awaited video you guys have been asking about, we did finally get the results from the DNA testing that we did for the babies. Now, if you are new here or you know, recently started following us, hang on boo, and are wanting to know what in the heck we're talking about, long story short, most of you guys know we did an embryo adoption or embryo donation for the twins. So I carried them, but the embryos were not ours. Now we had some indications that we felt like there was just a sliver of a chance that they might be our biological children. And so because this is a family channel, I won't go into a ton of detail on that, but I feel like basically just a simple explanation that we didn't use any preventative measures at the same time that the same month that we did the embryo transfer. So of course there's always a chance you can get pregnant.
You want to trade?
Yeah.
Come see dad. Hello.
And so then when the twins were born, we could not help but notice how much she looked like him. And also how much she looks like our oldest daughter, Kennedy, when she was a baby toddler. There were so many resemblances. And then we really started noticing, especially lately, a lot of resemblances between Ivy and my sister's youngest daughter, Hazel. So we just were like, you know, we know that there is like a very, very minimal chance. Like we've said all along, 99.9% sure that they are not our biological children, that they are the two embryos that we transferred. But we just wanted to know for sure. We wanted some closure in that for ourselves. Oh no, she's over it.
Here.
Hashtag over it. She can crawl around.
Okay.
Anyways, we wanted to know for sure for our own peace of mind, right?
Yeah. I think at the end of the day, it's
Do you have anything you want to add?
I think regardless of what the results are, or well, actually, you haven't told me yet, so
He doesn't even know.
I'm learning with you guys. But regardless of what the results are, it doesn't change anything.
Right.
Like
and
at the end of the day, it's like, okay, we're doing this because we want to close that door, but it's not.
It doesn't change anything for us and how we feel about them or anything like that. If you follow us or anything, you know how much our whole family just loves these babies. It has nothing to do with DNA for us, but for them and knowing their history and medical histories and stuff, it's important. So we just felt like we wanted to know for sure one way or the other. She's hopping and having way too much fun right now. So yeah, so we went ahead and did the testing. And the results did come back in, and I opened them and looked. Are you ready?
Via email.
Via email? Are you ready for me to tell you?
Yeah, hit me with them.
What do you think?
I think they're both no. Both negative.
And you would be right.
Correct. All right.
They are, in fact, the two embryos that we adopted. That was the
plan.
That was the plan. They are the embryos that we adopted. That is no surprise to us. It is not shocking to us in any way. It's exactly what we thought it would be. But honestly, for me, I think all that it proves to me is just how in the details God is in our lives. Because the fact that they do look so much like us, to me, is just like a little hug from the Father, that just like these babies are meant to be here with us and be part of our family. And while we don't keep it a secret that we adopted them as embryos, yeah, it's not anything that we keep as a secret, but I love that it's still so fun to look at the resemblances from our other kids, and you know, so much of it is like...
For those that don't follow me on Instagram, I'll email you the picture that I did of the side-by-side.
Oh, there's a side-by-side on his Instagram. I'll leave his Instagram link down below. It should be down there. There is a side-by-side of Kennedy and Amelia, and it's pretty...
It's eerie.
It's a little eerie, yeah. It's like crazy how much they look alike.
Yeah, Daddy knows. I didn't wash your face well.
And she looks so much like Shelby did. It's crazy, but awesome and amazing and wonderful, and
part of the story.
Yeah, it's just part of their story. Like I said, this news doesn't come as any kind of a surprise or shock to us. It's exactly what we expected it to be, but we're just glad that we've done it now. And we have that answer. We don't have any like little question in the back of our minds. We have that answer. So, yeah.
What do you think?
You're biting my blanket.
What do you say?
Look at her down there.
What do you say? What do you say? The machine, the queen of the machine gun cry right here.
Kicking up a lawnmower. All right, So that that is it for today's video. Finally got the results. Happy to share them with you guys. I think that's it. Is there anything else?
No, let's move on. We got more stories to tell.
Yep, we got lots more to this big old crazy family story. Also, my eye is itching and a little swollen and it feels a little crazy.
Your finger's
but
in
it's
it.
fine.
That's what happens when you stick your finger in your eye. Sometimes it's uncomfortable.
Smart aleck, you know that? All right, so that's it for today's video. We will see you guys tomorrow or the next day. Either tomorrow or the next day. I'm not sure yet. Thanks so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to our channel if you're not already. And we'll see you guys.
See you next time.